Can you spell hip?
Hip. How do you spell hip? Is the first sound. I.
I.
Hip.
Hip.
Loft. Can you spell loft?
Loft.
Loft. To spell, children must know the letter sounds really well. Okay? L. A. Loft. Loft.
Loft. Can you spell flap?
So spend a lot of time in learning the letter sounds. That is the base. Okay. Flap. What is the first sound? Fl. Fl. A. Flap.
Flap. Can you spell hob?
Hob. Can you spell hob? Is the first sound. O. Hob.
Hob. Can you spell bed?
Bed. How do you spell bed? B. Sorry, this is wrong. B. I'm also getting confused with B and D. B. E. Bed.
Bed. Can you spell rot?
Rot. Is the first sound. O. Rot. Rot.
Rot. Can you spell laptop?
Laptop. Can you spell laptop? Lap. 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 Top. Laptop.
Laptop. Can you spell album?
Album. Album. Alb. Album.
Album.
Is it difficult? No.
Can you spell kilogram?
If you practice regularly, then spelling is not difficult. Kilogram. K. I. Kl. O. Gram. G. So we have to stretch the word and we have to identify the sounds in the word.
Kilogram. Can you spell stilts?
Stilt. I. Still. Stilt. Stilt. Stilts.
Stilts. Can you spell atlas?
So there are many spellings in the Up to 6 Phonics app. Practice with the app. This will make your learning faster. Atlas. Atlas.
Atlas. Can you spell cabin?
So keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.